Last-minute sweeping and mopping before 431 Tembisa Secondary School matric learners begin their exams. And with such a big number of learners, the school has had to use 15 classrooms to ensure adherence to social distancing.
Our general assistants have started preparing the centers together with our staff. So classes are being cleaned, so stickers are being put on the desk so that tomorrow it's ready for the learners to begin with their final exam. So as a school, we are ready for tomorrow.
Provincial education authorities say they have increased exam centers to accommodate COVID-19 regulations.
We have increased the venues. We're talking about 1,800 venues. In addition, when you look at the previous numbers, we were sitting at about 1,200. So the COVID-19 protocols will be observed. We are mindful of physical distancing. That's why we're in a school. If they don't have sufficient space, then they would have been using community halls. They've been using any neighboring, venue. And the venues for marking as well, that is sorted. Over 2,000 of such venues, which we're going to be very strict in terms of managing them. You know that our processes must be secured. And the process of making sure that question papers move from one point to the other, we've started with that process, and we're safeguarding these question papers like they are money.
The Gauteng Department of Education also says assistant invigilators have been appointed to assist in exam centers.
Look, we have appointed invigilators that will be assisting the schools. We even went to an extent of having those that we call them assistant invigilators. Remember, we have chief invigilators that will be responsible for the exam center. Then in addition, you have then, all those that will be assisting. Because remember, educators are given an opportunity to be invigilating and just make sure that the rules of engagement are adhered to. So we had to increase that number as well. Administratively, we are happy with the numbers, and we are satisfied that the exam is not going to be compromised.
Matric results will be released on the 23rd of February next year. Matla Kokomane, SABC News, Johannesburg.